Finally, the day is here. Kotoko, any Accra so folk, ebebo mancha etoso 119 asem any AK. Now so far, Kotoko has about 118 games. 118 games, no. Said you who see the year ye caption. Kumasi Sante Kotoko na win do pa. Details ni na wa ha. Me de bro na enra and the 29th GJA Awards. So Ghana, so Kumasi for the first time with the same. Na in Simbia Koso no enye the kind of cheat, the kind of disrespecter yede Emma in Central for Kumasi no very bad. And as part of editorial no sure because Ghana has say oka in Central for very impactful untimi enka enyi Kumasi Central for free. But quite unfortunately, this awards no in the very past, like I said, I was basing my argument on in the last 10 years. In the last 10 years, Kumasi ni ba kope and Aji awardee. Only one journalist from Kumasi and Aji awarder ye kan wasemi. Na me no ka say no enra omasa akwaye foforo and omayibi. Na enra di omukoyi ye no ofrin crime. And yes sir, we are coming to disrespect omo crime no. Na emom no omo ye adwuma Kumasi na say awards ayeye ne Ghana ha say no. Ade ti na wo sete bia no ye be ye wie na nkran for na awi ni. Enra menu apaako Bright Yeboah Taylor Pure FM. And I now all draw my attention to the fact say, Sir awards no, I was a member and sana why they where we need award. And I all chairman say, because of that linty, more journalists are Kumasi no, they are not members of these associations. It's tembiano, and I'm so they are not members of the association linty. Awards no ekoswa. They can participate. So the reason explanation na Bright Yeboah Taylor the mame na the explanation no and also quite be so tell point na say society okra na enye because if we are saying na e wo no say one who say obi born homo dey pa afilum wire outstanding na enyo ono a oborn homo dey no e na sa apply for award. Ono de otene bi ye na dwuma nti na dwuma na oye no ehun abasobode no mu amoma abasobode no mu na wosa mu chorobre no anasa mu na wosa mu frɛ no eka ne se menua ye hu se obo homode pa na omode mo na obo no ye pese ye awodo 1 2 3 say enti wo no ye ma invitation to be a member of us so that we award you. Na aye kama na mo de makoye no kokuam say members of the association no nkoa sa wonya member of the Ghana Journalists Association yen awodo na wo say Jolaka onya member o si oya adwuma wo awode no ken eben ye adwuma o say onya member ti wo awode no oba Kumasi a mame container antenna adwuma antenna bono any impact o make in radio no. It is more than no more teten cry hono aw mo yo mo ho abrofosem no ma bibi no in Shrefem your friend ma efi for 28 years he held the fort kroma enye radio no nko ano na radio no ye wi a e the results ba o make sure say problems are solved. They make good impact with omo radio no omo ye no. Sa nipa bi say wo ho a omo ye adwuma pa e wo Ghana yen award omo na yakọ award obi tinkran waye article brofosem yesi waye documentary one about galamsey, documentary about environmental one documentary about health day bi minka say hu hia nemom no if they are awarded for such effort in the media. Some guys in Kumasi are making a very laudable effort, and are making a very impactful journalism in Ghana. However, they are neglected, and the Ghana GJA Awards, and I said Ghana Journalist Awards, no, it is not limited to Accra. It shouldn't be limited to Nkran. You get a point. And you can say it should be Accra limited. Not Tembiano, Nkran for no, and a weenie. Mr. Uba Krumha, in the last 20 years, in Central from sports to politics, maybe we don't want to be honest with ourselves. If we are to be honest with ourselves, meaning a young canopy, a band century Duma Power Ghana. A news no Kumasi newo. Kumasi for the ball more like they do impactful journalism. Kumasi for the ball more than ten some ball more than be and tell me a news do na no ewa ha. Once Accra no mean be skipping show. And I'm saying the capital is Accra no. Accra no hona mpanyifo no wo. Hona the subjects no. The people who call the shots, the people who make the news. For instance, celebrities no ho. The politicians no ho. Nemo no in central for na ankasa no. Kumase no mo. Enti and now say social media and telephone ni the people in Kumasi are able to get the subjects, the politicians, the celebrities for no. They are able to get them through various platforms and they get the news out of them. First, no, and now Kumasi like a short, and I say like a fairly short on this particular thing. But right now, me no can say Kumasi, baby, about in Central Juma. I won't lie to you. They make a very good impact with journalism, and you bet Abodino, from Bright Kankam Bodu, from Bright Kankam Bodu Keneben, sometime Sergio Laka, which we say a Jumano or Moyano. Or much for any impact on Mudi Mekino. The numbers are huge than this so-called Accra. Toda Bechon. No, Yakoya Awards, Libya, near Kochusun crime for, near Kochusun crime for. And me, I feel idea no. I don't have anything against Gordon. I see the bay from TV3 on the winning. I don't have anything against him. No, I didn't care about Kumasi said this time. Yababe Yenu Kumasi no. Unfortunately, na Musadi Akoma Ubia Ufri Accra. Not just a disrespect, and that's a person which said Kumasi need central for Papa na. And also, what kind of sound me no nyadi? Because Kumasi has produced and is continuing to produce one of the very best in the game. So, there is a trend. Sansenchoni biya ya di Kumasi a. Ugon say in crime for ne pen. Ugon say Accra. And uko Accra sisi ana. In central for mo bo mo hoden wo no. Most of them. Omu free Kumasi and the buy. Enti uhadina say no, they are not being fair to Kumasi. And no mean about Kona Jones twema BNC so say the reason why ntia ye for be Kumawood no. Ba kono no. One say na ye wo Ghana Movie Awards. Enti Ghana Movie Awards na ye no. Afi de beso bia ye bekwakoye Ghana Movie Awards no. Na ade amo Jackie Apia mo. Na Van Veka mo Majid Michel mo. Omo na e de brofo etwa Ghana from. Na ejakomo mesiesi eduomo ewo Kumasi enso twatwi wa no na emom ne yekoye Ghana Movie Awards na ne aka omu nyina abom enti ye ka omubom a na afi ebeba no na brofo fro no Van Veka mo ne hwan awini awards no say actor of the year, movie of the year, hwan of the year ni nyina no akwa man crime for no ena Samdakus ene ne nkofo etena ase ena omo kwene the term Kumawood enti ena omo de Kumawood Awards ebae enti omo de Kumawood Award bae no ena yebenya the industry Kumawood industry ni yebenya free side no ma ene ogogo a Kumawood ye credit Kumasi and no say movie in terms of movie no so Kumasi for ni ruling because the Kumasi Ashanti region a ruling and the over Ghana the hub of TikTok Kumasi content creators you can TikToker content creators ni nyina ade Kumasi aka Ebenezer Opokobose hwan omu nyina eye Kumasi enti sa ade ya no si yakasi ye hwene ya hwene ye pa na you cannot take Kumasi out of the picture because Kumasi no omo ye omo nioma exceptionally well and their impact is so felt. What I'm saying in the last 10 years omo Ghana Journalist Awards no, only one person from Kumasi and a winning award no, which is Erasmus Asaredonko or Love FM. No crowd no ayana yamia and I'm saying or yet attached to multimedia I won't cry no intina the stories do na no opushima cry for no and no and a man the journalist of the year in 2023 in the last 10 years so we the archives numa 2015 omude ma Anas Aremeyao the journalist of the year and the following year 2016 omude ma the same Anas so Anas wa hemfa and crime and in 2016 2015 omude ma Anas 2016 omude ma Anas and 2017 no omude ma abrantie bia oye adwuma wo channel 1 TV which is City FM City TV Bernard Avil 2017 omude ma no Bernard Avil so wa him on crime and in 2018 omude ma Doreen Hamdi oye the editor not oye the then editor of Junior Graphic on crime as journalist of the year into 2015 to 2018 now into over catch am say between those years na sometime amo na Jola kamo na Kenebe mo na antenna mo na ma efemo enso janu mu Kumasi ana omo so janu mu Kumasi omo bo adwuma enti enke enti bi fa award number mo the enti bi fa award number mo now in 2019 and omo de ma Joy FM and Joy TV is a training ba ko 2019 omo de ma Samson Ladi ono na ye news far no let us say politics no nkwa and omo de ma news far 2020 na ye covid year omo anye into 2021 and na omo de ma TV3 presenter o ka news wo Porsche Agabo uri Porsche Agabo ya Porsche Agabo and omo de ma Porsche Agabo 2021 no enti 2022 no and omo de ma Erastus Asaredonko so they akoye no 2022 after some Porsche Agabo from TV3 in crime we in 2022 omo de ma Erasmus Asaredonko Love FM so in the last 10 years no Erastus Asaredonko and Kwane Centuria we win and in 2023 omo de ma Edward Adeti also on crime and 2024 2025 and Raichi and I say no mo ye no omo de ma TV3 near friend Godwin Asidibe so akoye documentary akoye hwan but meanwhile over the years omo ma wi no me I don't begrudge them I don't disrespect them they are fine journalists never no over the years womo ma wi no adwuma o ma body wi no o ma adwuma no are not better than adwuma antenna ayo are not better than adwuma ma efeo are not better than adwuma asajola kamobo are not better than adwuma brad kan kamweru moyo are not better than ken ebe adwuma mobo because kenebe adwuma kinebe and the young guys no omu tie no e ma makoma to obo ni nyina ye impact obekọ the whole no be tie kinebe that's the impact nipa na ninje kra wo nso tie kinebe no tie se adwa na koma to ne yem these are the impact nemom no ye bekọ akoye journalist of the year bia na ye de akoma nkran for sese medwen ho a mentiase kroma wan sha ho so obedi panyi atem enti we de The Ghana Football Association, and then the minimum the Ghana Journalist Association. And I one kasa mu it is not bad. So be deserve wa monchro mano say ye pese award do inti apply. Then the panel apply no win ma bato ne ento aba na jirigogu bia piem. Inti one who say the panel outstanding na write to the person, invite him. Say ye pese award do inti ye invite you to be a member so that we award you. Simple as that. Ene na dem bia na mo de ma yen ho na yen ho no kwa na mo se de mo sa de ma enkran fo no. And then few hours to Asante Kotoko and a crowd of full game. Now since 1958, Kotoko ne has matches no. Ya bought 118 and then the end of it also 119. Na Asante Kotoko metema actually say or you're dominant over House of Folk. Out of 118 games at Kotoko ne has abono. Kotoko winning 40 and a has a winning 38. Inti ene Kotoko ni mpa bo se Kotoko bebiem na akọ 41 38. And emu 40 nso aye draw apai. Emu 40 aye draw apai. Inti wohwe insania Asante Kotoko ensada Accra House of Folk. Yenu anu mpanyimfo in terms of age. Yensada omoso slightly both Kumasi and Nkran nyina. Ene game no score line bi apiem na zedie ahwefo a me ne omo wa atambia me video no ma be comment me tie afutu po mo se sa anwamanyama na me njai nti adwuma no so de me ne mo ana eye nti nyoma bu ho na mo se anya me jai because afutu de eye pa ye hope say the game no after that ye be sa ba ye the full ayi bia be bro coverage be bro.